सिक्स्थ जो हमारा सिक्स्थ प्लेज है वो गुर्बत मिटाओ, बेनजीर इनकम सपोर्ट expansion. We will expand the Benazir Income Support Program network to provide much-needed support to additional citizens who have fallen below the poverty line because of the unprecedented inflation and unemployment we are experiencing. In addition to poverty-based cash transfers, we will expand the following: Wasila-e-Haq, Wasila-e-Taaleem, Wasila-e-Rozgar, and Wasila-e-Sehat. Wasila-e-Haq ke through a program, the program to provide micro loans bila sood karze to women with a view to enhance small business and entrepreneurship among the underprivileged so they can break out of the cycle of poverty. We have successfully implemented this in Sindh with the People's Poverty Reduction Program through implementation partners like the SRSO. Wasila-e-Taaleem, the program is to provide a top-up cash transfer per eligible child in the household with no upper limit on the number of children per household who are eligible for the program. Recipients of the Wasila-e-Taaleem transfer will remain conditional on maintaining a minimum 70% attendance rate. तालीमी इदारे में स्कूल में आपका अटेंडेंस रेट जो है उसको 70% होना पड़ेगा ताकि ये वसीला-ए-तालीम उनको मिले. Wasila-e-Rozgar में the program is to provide vocational training to a number of beneficiary families. The target beneficiaries will be offered up to 1-year training option that match their personal circumstances and self-employment opportunities that exist within their district. Wasila-e-Sehat ke through inhi khandanon ko we want to provide the program to provide a protection against catastrophic health expenditure to registered beneficiaries all across the country. Sindh में तो हमने मुफ्त सेहत के इदारे खड़े किए हैं, बाकी मुल्क में ये ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं हैं और हम समझते हैं कि इसके बजाय कि तमाम लोगों को कोई सेहत कार्ड देने के कि हम उन गरीब तरीन लोगों को जिनका हक बनता है उनको हम पूरी तरीके से कवर करें. तो ये हमारा गुर्बत मिटाओ बेनजीर इनकम सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम के सिलसिले में जो हमारे वादे हैं.